Hey Trent, just making this video like you asked. Just going over how to get your website indexed on Google so that it could start being found for your keywords that are on your page. We're going to go to Google Search Console, and here it's free. You don't have to sign up or anything. You might have to put some information in. I can't remember. The first time I did this was months ago. But if you hit Start Now, you're going to be coming here, and what you want to do is add a new property here, and then you're going to type in your URL, and there are some things that have to pop out. It has to be no, oh, it said right there on the bottom, and then you're going to hit continue here. Since it's already done, it will, we're already good. But let's just say that you didn't do it. You'd have to sign into where your hosting is, which yours was GoDaddy, and you'll just hit verify. On your end of things, there wasn't an issue there at all. The next thing that you want to do right afterwards is get your sitemap done. And for you in particular, there's 3 different versions. It's either /sitemap or X. And you'll know which one's right because this page can't be found. And then you're like, oh, okay, or it's the XML. And I haven't had to use the third one, but if you Google it, that's the one that you can use. But it'll come and it says XML sitemap right here. So you're going to copy this and then put it into the sitemap and then hit submit. Yours has already been done. It looks like 17 pages were discovered. So now we can look at things. Oh, might have to wait a day or two for that to happen. But in this, if we're looking at my particular company right here, you can look right here and see which pages are indexed. And these are what I call your money pages. At least make sure that those are indexed. For all these other ones, I think it was when I was creating my website, I might have, just deleted pages that already had a slug attached to it. But say, for example, like this one right here, let's just say, so it does actually go somewhere. So I did a redirect for it already. And if you put it up here, you can have it being indexed. Oh, and there's no index tag. So I might have to fix my index tag on that. URL is a business but has issues. Page index, mobile, parsable. Okay, that's fine. I don't care. So all you would have to do is plug this in. If it says anything up here, you could look and see what it is. For this particular problem, it's not a problem on mine. But the URL is on Google, but it has issues. You hit request indexing, and then come back in a couple of days, check it, see if it's been indexed. So that is how you could make yourself on your own Google Search Console for yours. So if you ever update any, if you add content to your blog, if you add something to your website in general, those are all things where you would want to go back and re-index. And so I'm actually going to go, I'm going to go through here for you and show you what I mean by changing some stuff. So when you're adding content to your page, you can, if I add another couple things right here, or if I add some blocks, or maybe originally I didn't have impact, latent SEO, that type of thing. So I'm going to republish. Actually, I want to change one thing real quick. I'm going to pause it. So let's say that I made that change, and actually I should probably do that on all of them. So I might do that in just a minute, but these are the types of things that you could be changing or adding to. You're going to republish your website. This is on Snaps. If you're doing it on WordPress, just hit the update button down on the bottom left. And then when you come back, I would be looking at mine, and then I want to go to my pages, and it was just the home page. So I'm just going to copy it and then request indexing again, even though it says it's live. Request indexing, so unparsable structures. I changed that unparsable structured data on there, so it should be working. And then day or two, that should be updating all the content that I changed on there too. Hope this is helpful. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.